So today I'm going to show you how to work the website Grammarly. So first we're going to start by opening up your web page and going to a clear tab. I'm just going to type in Google, type in Grammarly. You're just going to go click the first one and go ahead and log in. It's easy and free. They have a pro one, but we're just going to stick to the basic free and log in. So on Grammarly, basically what it is you can upload new documents, you can create your own right on here, and they have a demo one right here that I'm going to show you guys. So basically you'll upload your document and Grammarly will find all the mistakes and then tell you why. So right here, for instance, it says comma racing, but here it changes it and it says you need to take away the space, or you add a space, so you click that. Right here, it's not grown up, it's grown up with a hyphen. So you just click it and it simply changes them. So it's super, super helpful for students and teachers. Click back here, go back to the home page. Another thing that's really helpful is right here, it tells you how many errors. So if you, for a teacher, if you upload all of your students' documents on here, it will tell you how many errors, and it's a quick, easy grading process. As well as for students, when you upload your own, it's super simple to correct your papers. So yes, you have your own profile, a personal dictionary that you can add your own words to, language preference if you depending on where you're from. So it has all of that. You can use it in Safari as an app as well. And then it has a premium, so you can either pay quarterly or annually. Super simple, and I highly recommend it.